Alright, I'm Colin and this is Shawn Automotive, and in today's episode we're back on with the Xr2, and if you know nothing about that,
where have you been?
So today I'm just going to have a crazy filler day. Say this mask is wicked. I'll put a link down below where you can get this mask from.
Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. Like a fish on land.
The first shape with the day is done, and I've cleaned off the roof and I've gone really rough with some 40 grit. I'm going to mix up some filler. Now the roof is going to take a good mix. So if I mix... Oh, that was so close.
Must be hell, no more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. I was getting lost in the quicksand. Take it too far, now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. But I'm deep, deep down on the bottom of a well. I got the lump, can't you tell? This place must be hell. No more cookies in this jar.
So that's the first thing of filler on. You can see we've got the shape there. It will sink down as it goes off. So while it's just going off a bit more, I'm going to get some more scooped up in here. So I'll get some really rough grit 40 on it to start. Just get the shape of it with 40, then skim over it again. there we go. We've put some more in and we're starting to get the shape of it now. It's looking pretty cool. I'll just push on. I'll push on as long as I can, and then you've had a video of me constantly working. Right, so I've got that big boy fine filler over that bit. It's just filler everywhere.